The question that we, as a group, intend to answer today is, what is the best energy source for Northern Nevada? We did a lot of research about nearly every energy source available to us and found that the best is geothermal energy. What is geothermal energy? According to a quick Google search, geothermal energy is heat energy generated and stored in the earth.
At a depth of approximately 3.5 to 4 kilometres. Fractured granite found at this level is heated naturally by radiogenic decay from the elements within it. This heat is insulated by thousands of metres of sedimentary rocks and slowly builds up over millions of years. Injecting water under pressure into the granite, in the same way as the oil and gas industry, can widen the fractures. This hydraulic injection triggers tiny microseismic events that enhance the permeability of joints a significant distance away from the injection well, creating a geothermal reservoir. Low temperature water flows through the reservoir, increasing to approximately 280 degrees Celsius at 5,000 meters below the surface. Geodynamics uses a closed pipe circuit to bring the naturally hot pressurized fluid to the surface before running it through a heat exchanger that extracts the thermal energy. The cooled, pressurized fluid is injected back into the reservoir. The closed-loop system means the pressurized fluid is never exposed to air or light and does not diminish at all during the process, meaning zero water loss from the system.
Now the next question is why. There are many reasons as to why geothermal energy is the best for Northern Nevada, and we broke it up to 3 different categories: cost, culture, and environmental impact.
First, we are going to talk about the cost. Installation includes drilling and should be done by professionals. The cost varies depending on the type of loop system. On average, a typical home of 2,500 square feet with a heating load of 60,000 BTU and a cooling load of 60,000 BTU will cost between $20,000 to $255,000 to install. Although this may seem like a huge cost, in the end, it will reduce your utility bills by 40% to 60%. No cost fluctuations determined by gas and oil prices, 30% to 60% savings on heating, and 25% to 50% savings on cooling. The cost only has a small part of why it works for Nevada, as the culture of Nevada also plays a big part.
The culture of Northern Nevada plays a part of why we believe geothermal works. Some examples of the culture of Northern Nevada are Keep Tahoe Blue, Burning Man, and tourism. In order to keep Tahoe blue, we as a society need to be mindful on how we treat our environment. That means choosing an energy source that doesn't harm it. Also, since Northern Nevada is a tourist attraction, we need a clean and effective energy source to help power the cities in Northern Nevada. Hawaii is very big on culture, and the land that the natives live on is precious to them. So choosing the best energy source is heavily dependent on the culture, because destroying the land that means so much to them just to put a certain type of energy source doesn't work. That's why geothermal is the best for Northern Nevada. It is clean and produces a lot of energy, which will help keep Tahoe blue.
Not only is the cost and culture important, but so is the environmental impacts. Pros of geothermal is that it is environmentally friendly compared to gas or oil furnaces, meaning no combustion. It is also not a significant source of pollution, and it is very efficient, around 300 to 500% compared to 90% of the best furnaces. It is also a renewable resource, suitable for the smallest of houses to the largest commercial spaces. It is mostly underground for a minimal landscape footprint. And it is not weather dependent like solar or wind power. Geothermal heat pumps work year-round. Not only that, but it also has a long lifespan, around 25 years for indoor components and 50 plus years for underground loop systems.